And next is we go to wind field observatory, wind field visualization. So please search this board, Windows Observatory. So this is wind field visualized by two methods. So one is particles moving with wind, and the other is very long, flexible. So touch this blue board and click stop window. Then window is stopped. So uh, flexible is uh, stand vertically, and all particles are stopped. Then uh, so for south wind, and wait a moment. So south window will start blow. And flexibles are inclined to north. And click swirling wind. So, so windows start swirling like typhoon or hurricane. So anti-clockwise means low pressure. So here is also low pressure, anti-clockwise, and this is clockwise. It's so high pressure. So this wind field is simulated in real time by region server, and so real-time simulation of two-dimensional non-compression viscous hydrodynamics are simulated in real time. The random wind. So typhoon are disappeared. And there is several edits. So anti-clockwise is low pressure. So here is clockwise, so high pressure. So this simulation is including some Coriolis effect. This is installation is made by artist Comet Mori or both installation. So other Abyss exhibit is another exhibit is Earth and Life Evolution, and so atmospheric radar. Uh, atmospheric radar, and so modern museum, and so Earth simulator. Please click so journey into the deep. Yeah. Uh, here is uh, 3005 meter altitude sky. And there is a three exhibit. One is Art History Museum. And another is Journey to the Deep. And this is Motoko Museum of Art History. So this is so outline of so observatory in JOGrid. So please visit it and go around uh, and please enjoy. Thank you.